All right, today we have 4 Carrier Tech 2000 units
here at this old place.
with a couple familiar faces.
Oh yeah. This one here is an 89 if I'm not mistaken.
We've got Copeland reciprocating compressors.
1989.
With the middle tag.
410 if I'm not mistaken.
It's a Copeland.
It was 90.
Oh, that's not even the middle tag.
93 when they switched from metal tags to stickers.
Yeah, baby.
Oh wow. We got a starter. 1990.
My soul just left me.
It's putting out some serious heat too. It's got a heat load on it. It's already pumping ice cold. The line's not too hot either, so it's not necessarily running hot. It's just got a heat load. And here's a logo you don't see anymore these days. That sticker meant a lot.
Big fat son of a bitch spider right there.
A few more. $19.90. What kind of compressor we got?
Second year on this one. This is also
Copeland.
1990. That one's the only one that's been running. I figured it was going to start up while I was recording, but not right when I was looking outside.
This is a 1990.
It's going to be it.
These are in great shape for its age.
Then all of a
Their
sudden,
age.
some old guy comes walking around the corner yelling, "Hey, what are you doing?"
They all got Copelands. There ain't no harm in taking pictures. I mean,
Yeah. Dude, that happened to me last month when I was in Florida.
1989.
On no building video and units next year, this old guy is out there going, "Hey, what are you doing back there?" Oh,
Photos.
I think I startled the poor.
It's got a pump on it. Looks like it's got a pump on it. Condensate pump. I think that's what that is. These ones don't. Where do they drain? Oh. They're all draining into the ground. Okay. Well. Running great. Alright. See you guys in the next one.